accidentally deleted your files, or maybe your photos or videos got corrupted and you have lost your files permanently. Well, don't panic, because in 2025 Wondershare Recoverit 14 is here to save your data faster, smarter and more reliably than ever before. In this video, I will show you all how Wondershare Recoverit is still the best data recovery tool in 2025, and how Wondershare Recoverit 14 upgrade makes it even better than before to get back your lost or corrupted photos, videos, documents and more in just a few clicks. Hey folks, Maswakil from WM Originals back in another data recovery tutorial, and today I wanna show you all how I use Wondershare Recoverit 14 to recover permanently deleted files and repair corrupted photos and videos that I transferred to my Windows PC from my SD card. First, Wondershare Recoverit has always been a powerful data recovery tool, but upgrade 14 takes it to a whole new level. It brings many improved features like AI recovery and enhancement, camera recovery, drone and handheld recovery along with Mac ecosystem upgrade. So let's get started and know more about Wondershare Recoverit 14 upgrade and know how to use it. Wondershare Recoverit 14 is the industry first AI powered data recovery solution for different devices. It offers features like AI deep scan that helps to recover even severely corrupted files with high precision, with faster scan speed up to 30% quicker than previous version. It also brings AI powered photo and video repair after recovery and offers AI-powered smart recovery that effortlessly retrieves your lost data with high success rates. Wow, that's so cool. Now let's give it a try, and for that simply follow the links in description and pinned comment to visit Wondershare Recoverit official website. Now click try it free. It starts downloading, and once Wondershare Recoverit 14 free download completes, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once installation gets completed, click on this. Here we have Wondershare Recoverit 14 that offers a refreshed, cleaner interface which makes it even easier to use even for beginners. Here at top we get option to select from where we want to recover deleted files like hard drives and locations, where we get option to recover files from hard disk drives on Windows PC. Next, it shows external drives if connected. Thereafter, in quick access we get option to recover deleted files from disk image, desktop, select folder and recycle bin. Next, in file recover we get SD card recovery option. This can recover lost photos and videos from camera, drones, GoPros and other devices. Thereafter, in utility tools we get file repair. Here we get option to repair corrupted video files, repair corrupted photos, repair corrupted documents. Not only this, it also offers blurry photo enhancer and facial detail enhancer. In other tools, we get options like system crash computer recovery, NAS and Linux data recovery, enhanced recovery to recover lost videos and photos from PC, and OneDrive recovery to restore OneDrive data. Now let's get started to know how to use Wondershare Recoverit 14 to recover permanently deleted files and repair corrupted photos and videos using a live example. Here is a folder that contains photos, videos and files that I transferred from my SD card to Windows PC, but a few of photos got corrupted. Now let's permanently delete all of these files and see if we can recover deleted files and fix corrupted photos. And for that, simply go back and press Shift Delete on keyboard. Here comes warning to permanently delete files. Click yes. Our files including photos and videos are permanently deleted now. See, there is nothing in recycle bin as well, it's empty. Now to recover corrupted photos and files, go back to Wondershare Recoverit 14 and click Drive E to scan for deleted files. Recoverit starts to scan for deleted files and within seconds will complete quick scan. But meanwhile, it will continue deep scanning to find more lost files. See, it shows up the files that are available to be recovered. We can also preview files before recovery, and for that simply click any of these. Wait for Wondershare Recoverit AI repair process, and once done, see, this is fully repaired and file is available to be recovered. The file preview is limited, but we can unlock it for full file preview, unlimited recovery, SD card recovery and premium support. Well, we will talk about that later. For now, let's close this, and now to recover complete folder, click on this. Next, click recover. Now here we need to pick a plan to recover files. Click buy, and this opens up browser to pick a plan. Here we can choose any of these plans to recover deleted photos and videos from Windows PC. Choose a plan and complete purchase. Once done, come back to Wondershare Recoverit and click Login. Here login using Wondershare account, and once logged in, click Recover again to recover deleted folder from Windows PC. Next we get option to select location where we want to save recovered photos and videos. Now click Recover. It starts recovering, and once data recovery completes, here we have the confirmation with number of files recovered. Let's check our recovered folder, and for that click Open Folder. Browse through to look for the folder and see here we have all our files including photos which were corrupted. They are also repaired and recovered. Let's check this out. Wow, amazing work by Wondershare Recoverit 14. All our files are repaired and recovered. Also, there is no loss in video or photo quality. So first, here are deleted files, corrupted photos and videos on purpose, and Wondershare Recoverit 14 got all of them back. From deleted files, corrupted photos and videos, everything is back that I needed. For creators, it is more than a backup plan, it's a lifeline. I will highly recommend you all to try out Wondershare Recoverit 14 if you are looking to recover deleted files, repair corrupted photos and videos in seconds. Wanna try? Then simply find the links in description and pin comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you found this useful and got value. If yes, let me know by smashing that like button. Also, share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to WM Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Today I wanna show you all how to transfer Windows from HDD to SSD without losing apps and data. And today I wanna show you all best free AI tool to summarize PDF files and chat with PDF document for free.